This is the Kinbury microwave popcorn popper. The directions are pretty simple. You're supposed to put 4 tablespoons of kernels into the popper, which is equivalent to a 1/4 cup. Then you put the top of the popper on with just a very little opening left for ventilation. You microwave on high for 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Then you let it stand for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you eat it. So I'm going to test it out right now. I've got my popcorn kernels, and I've got a 1/4 cup, which is equivalent to 4 tablespoons. Let's get a little bit more in there. I don't want to overfill it, but I don't want to underfill it either. So I'm just going to set it right in there like that. I'm going to put the lid on and leave a little bit of a gap. And then, sorry about that. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave, and I will let you know how it turns out. I just now heard the first popping, and we still have 1:24 to go. I'll touch base with you again when we get closer to the end. It's starting to slow down now, and I'm wondering if I should stop it a few seconds earlier, if I should let it go the whole time. I'm really worried about burning it, but I think for the purposes of this experiment, I'll let it go the whole time. We're almost done. Okay, so now we have to let it set for 2 to 3 minutes. So I will put a timer for split the difference, and we'll wait, and then we'll get it out and see how it does. Okay, so now I'm preparing to get it out of the microwave, and the container is very hot, so even though it's silicone, I would still recommend using gloves just in case. And I pull the top off, and it looks like I should have went with my instincts and stopped it 30 to 15 seconds early, because the top kernels that popped first are ever so slightly burnt. Not bad, but maybe a little more done than I would have liked. Hot. Yeah, that's really hot. So now that your popcorn is done, I'm going to just pour it in a different bowl so I can salt it and put spray butter on it. I would not put spray butter on a silicone anything, because it gets sticky and yucky and an awful mess. So I'm going to just spray butter it up a little bit. Give it some salt. Pick out a piece that's not too burnt. Yeah, that's pretty good. Well, there's another piece that's more burnt than I would have liked. But all in all, I think it's a success. Just play around with the cooking times a little bit, and I think you're going to like it.